Hey, what's going on, everyone? Super happy and grateful to be here with each and every single one of you today. Welcome to the whop training. And as always, my friends, it's going to be a profitable day. So let's get straight into the training. All right, everyone, here we are at the Discover tab inside of my whop profile. Now, I'm not going to go over how to set up your whop profile. I know you all will get that with no issues whatsoever. It's super simple. You can sign up with your Gmail, you can sign up with your email. It's really just super simple, okay? And so the reason I started with this Discover tab today is because I just want to show you just the diversity within this particular platform and marketplace, right? Literally, you have agencies, you have dating, you have careers, business, spirituality, fitness, trading, both, crypto, forex, travel, real estate, personal finance, e-commerce, and even reselling. Let's click on reselling, right? And if you just scroll down, you have people here, making money from selling their Pokemon cards. You have people flipping watches. So if, for example, you're really into watches, this could be a great community for you to promote as a beginner who's trying to make money online, right? So if I love watches and I love buying watches, I love selling watches, I love connecting with other people who are like-minded that love watches, right? Then this would be a great community for me. And so I could potentially join it. And if I love it, then I can promote it and earn a profit from it. And that's why this is so, first and foremost, a beginner-friendly platform, because it literally allows you to become an affiliate by just simply clicking on the offer like we did and scrolling all the way to the bottom where you can add this to your affiliates dashboard, okay? And this is 50% reward. So they'll give you a 50% commission on whatever you sell, right? So again, this is again super beginner friendly because you don't have to create a product. You don't have to create an offer from scratch. You can literally sell products that you already are using or that you already love, right? So this is a great first place to start. And you can share these affiliate links with your friends on social media, with your family. If you have an email list, you can share it with your email list, your newsletter, right? You could share it with everybody you know. And that's a great way to start earning a commission, completely leveraged, right? And passive in a sense, right? Like you are going to be able to earn money from it while you're sleeping, right? And we want to create leverage in our life where we're not always having to be the ones, showing up to sell, right? We want to be able to create leverage in our business. And that's what the beauty of selling digital products or being an affiliate marketer or selling affiliate products. That's the benefit is you could create a lot of leverage and you can start making money while you sleep. Okay. And the second place I wanted to show you guys within this amazing platform is the start selling tab. Okay. So what if you do have something to sell? What if you want to sell your knowledge, right? Let's say you're an accountant or you're a tax professional and you wanted to start selling your knowledge on here, or what it, that would fall under personal finance, right? What if you're a fitness coach and you love helping people lose body fat? What if you were into crypto trading and you want to show others how to trade, right, to the best of their ability? If you're a dating coach and you want to help people find love, you can start selling that skill set as well, right? So let's go over to the start selling tab if you're someone who's interested in selling your own product, service, or knowledge. All right, here we are at the start selling tab on the dashboard of my whop account. Okay, this is a brand new whop account. So let's go ahead and walk through how to create a whop. Okay, again, this is super simple. They make it really easy for everyone. So let's go ahead and make that. Okay, so as you already know, we are Profits HQ. So we'll add that in and continue. Interesting. So if you make 3K in your first 30 days, you win. Wow, you win a billboard spot in Times Square. What better advertising than having a billboard in Times Square, right? The amount of traffic that area gets on a daily and weekly basis is a lot. So super cool. Let's just go ahead and join the 3K challenge. Okay, let's join the 3K and 30 challenge. So they're building it out. Boom, game on. Even has a countdown timer. Okay, so start building. So here we are. We can upload media. Um, you have pricing and access options here. So I can create something paid for someone. I can create something free, right? It's always think a great idea to have something free for people to kind of get, to get familiar with. And then if they like what you're doing, then they can upgrade to something more paid. So again, you have an option to do something free, paid, something free. So really cool. So we'll just do something for free. You can get instant access, okay? You could ask them questions, right? Just really, really understand, who your clients are, who your community is, right? So that you can serve them to the best of your ability. So here we are. Would you revoke access automatically? Never. Okay, it's fine. We'll continue. Reviews, which is super important, as you all know. We all look at reviews before we go places, whether it be to eat or stay at a hotel, that kind of stuff. So it's really, really powerful that they have that here as you're setting up everything. You can edit your details here. Headline, I'm helping people make money online, helping people make money online. Cool. Change that again. Helping people make money online. You can do a description here. Again, we have our page right here. It automatically creates a URL for you, all the different categories. Um, so we could be careers, we could be e-commerce. We'll go e-commerce, subcategory here, general e-commerce, dropshipping, FBA. We can go general, right? And then we can, have the call to action button change, get offer, join, right? Really, really cool. And a custom call to action link. You can put your website there. Post purchase link, just so many different options for you to be able to leverage for your business. Upload a photo for your profile. Let's upload a photo for the profile. We'll go here, look at Profits HQ, and then we'll upload photo. We'll save that. And then boom, you're already getting one step closer to having your business built out. And then you can even preview it, all right? So look at this. Preview it as if you were, coming on to actually purchase something. So 30% reward automatically sent to. Really, really cool. Really, really cool that you can do this. Now, one of my favorite features of whop is their applications within the platform. Now, this is such a huge, huge, huge thing for most people starting out because let's face it, not all of us have, the capital or the resources to pay for so many different subscriptions each and every single month. Within the whop app, they give you a plethora of apps, to say the very least. So let's go look at the apps within whop. And I'm going to do a complete separate video going over all of the apps and how you could benefit from them. But for now, let's just browse through them and let's flick through them. And just so you can see, how you can structure the systems of your business all within one single platform without having to integrate things and jump all over the place, right? And spend a lot of extra money, just so that these integrations can be talking with each other, okay? So let's go ahead and click Add New App. So as you probably already have seen, I added the chat app, and this allows other users to talk to each other, okay? And you have a courses app, which literally allows you to upload long form videos. This is phenomenal value because you would have to pay, another software system to be able to typically upload your videos, or you're doing, for example, like YouTube unlisted videos, and some people can take your videos, right, and steal your content. Here in this courses particular app, you can watermark your videos, and it just allows you to brand things and protects your intellectual property, right, of everything that you're teaching your community. So again, one of my favorite apps definitely is the courses app because there's so many people out there that have a lot to teach and a lot to share, and this allows them to be able to not only deliver but also it protects them as well at the same time, and all the their years of knowledge and all the time and effort and energy they put into making the course. So again, a really, really good app. You have files, announcements, forums, one-on-one coaching calls, which is fantastic. Links. You have the whop wheel to like play games with your community. You have affiliate links options. You have bounties, video calls, another video option, which is just so incredible. Calendar bookings too. So if you're a service-based business and you work a lot with one-on-ones and you need to meet up with your clients each and every single week, boom, you don't need Calendly. You have calendar bookings, right? And so you have Discord as well. whop came across my world through Discord, right? I first was introduced to whop with the Discord server. I use Discord a lot. I've been using Discord for years. And you can have communities within Discord too. Don't get me wrong. If you have a Discord community, you can utilize WhopP to monetize it, right? To make transactions a lot simpler. So again, really, really incredible, incredible apps that they have on here. Masterminds, job boards, just, Solana, even with crypto, you even have Telegram, which is becoming by the week and by the month an even more popular messaging app. So again, really sky's the limit here. You can use a combination of all these depending on what kind of business you're running. They can just allow you to make things simpler without so many moving parts, so many subscriptions, so many different, softwares to integrate so that everything can talk to each other. This just makes it so simple, and just really makes it easy to get off the ground, especially if you're beginning, and you've never launched an online course or offer, or you've never sold affiliate products before, right? So this is a great way to like reduce the overwhelm that some people experience when it comes to creating an online business. So again, super, super great that they have apps in here. And I'm going to go over this in a completely separate video where I break down each app. We're going to go in there. We're going to see how it functions. And now we're at the dashboard where you can track the metrics of your business, okay? And you can do that over here at the dashboard. It's a little rocket over here on the left-hand side. It's the dashboard. And if you click the dashboard, you'll have a tab open here. You'll have the home of the dashboard. You have your offers. You'll have your checkout links, all the users. You can track your finances, the payments, the payouts, any disputes from customers. You have the marketing tab with your tracking links, just so you can gather as much data as possible so you can make informed decisions about your business. Again, you have messages that we talked about earlier, then you have your affiliates. So everything here is on this left-hand tab when you click the rocket, okay? So let's go take a scroll down. As you can see earlier, we joined that challenge, right, too? So it's even tracking your progress, counting down the days and the hours until the challenge is over. So if you go down a little bit, it's going to show you your gross revenue, right? It's going to show you how much money is being brought in from your WhopP. You can filter that on top from last 7 days, last 4 weeks, last 3 months, which is really, really great. In terms of really, really being able to collect as much data as possible so that you can, move your business forward in a good direction, because data is so important for us to make decisions. And it shows us where we're at, what we need to correct, things we could double down on. So again, just data rich information all on this particular dashboard. You have page visits, churn rates, ARR, MRR. If you know what that is, it's monthly recurring revenue. And then we have annual recurring revenue. You have the users present, and then the gross, how much you bring it in before you calculate for your net profit, right? So again, really, really amazing. You have the payment breakdown, users with the app installed. So it literally lets you track everything. We've almost finished building out our store yet. So once you finish building it out, it's going to allow you to be discovered within the marketplace. So if people are want to learn how to make money online, they'll be able to find you once you finish your full profile, okay? But for the purposes of this video, we're just going to keep it short, sweet, and simple, because we will have more videos going over WhopP. It is such a robust platform that there's no way we could do it in one video, right? I don't want to overwhelm anybody here. So we'll take a look at, like I mentioned earlier, the apps one at a time, and all the other different functions that really, really can allow you to expedite the growth of your business while staying in the same place, not having to jump all over the place, okay? And with that being said, my friends, that completes our training for the day. And as I mentioned earlier, we will be having more WhopP trainings. But for those beginners out there, I hope you saw the value in what WhopP is offering. You literally have a plethora of apps to choose from to help you build out your systems so that you can get your product, service, or idea to the marketplace. And for those business owners who are seasoned and who already potentially have like a brick and mortar business, right? This is a great way for you to expand your reach, make more of an impact, and continue to grow your business, all right? And if you have any questions about anything that we discussed today, just drop them down in the comments. If you want to see any specific videos relating WhopP that go into detail about certain features and functions, let us know down in the comments. We're more than happy to explore that, and we're more than happy to answer any questions you have about this video. But until next time, my friends, thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you on the next video.